I start to sail on these ocean waves. Nobody knows how to find us. It's turning out to be a perfect day. I just wanna leave our normal lives behind us. So let's get lost out here. No one out.
Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. As I said in my last video, I am going to unbox another Apple product in this video. So today we are going to unbox Apple Watch Series 5 44mm model. Actually I got this product for a pretty good deal from Amazon. I got 4000 cashback from my HDFC credit card. The MRP is 43,900. I got it for 39,900 and there was also no cost EMI option. I opted for no cost EMI as well. This offer from HDFC credit card will expire on July 31st, so go check it out. I will tell more about the features and how to set it up while I am unboxing it. So let's get started. So guys, this is Apple Watch Series 5 44mm aluminum model. It comes with sports black band and it contains 5-volt charger. I will also mention other features while I am unboxing it. So let's start the unboxing now. So this is our Apple Watch here. It contains sports band which is small and large size. Here there are some paperworks. This is a 5-volt charger. This is the charging cable. It is a magnetic charging cable. And this is our Apple Watch. This is a digital crown and we have a microphone here. This is a side button to switch it on and switch it off. And to the left it contains loudspeakers. So let's get this connected with my iPhone. So first we have to press this side button to get this watch started. We get this nice Apple logo. And once you get this screen, you just have to open your watch app in the iPhone. After opening watch app, you just have to tap on start pairing. This is a magnetic charger. As you can hear the sound of the magnet. You can select face of this smartwatch. There are millions of options that are available. You have to select one face and then you have to tap on set as current watch face and it will be on your Apple Watch. And it will show us the apps that are compatible with our Apple Watch. Now I will show you guys the bands that are available with this Apple Watch. So guys, now I am going to talk some of the cool features of this Series 5. The first cool feature is of course always on display. It is always on, like you see. It will fade out and it is always on. And if you rotate it, it will give you a detailed view of the time. The face watch that I am using here is Activity Face Watch. And the activities that I am getting in this face watch time is calories burnt, exercise minutes and stand hours. You have to tap on these colors to get more details like this. Calories burnt, exercise minutes, standing hour, and you also get total steps that you have covered. And to get back to the home screen, you don't have to always press this digital crown button. You can use this cool gesture. Boom, you are back into the home screen now. ECG app is not available by default. You need to install it through Health app in your iPhone. We can also change the view. You can use grid view like I'm using, or you can change it to least view. You have to force tap on this view, then you will get option to select grid view or least view. I have selected grid view. You can also select least view. I will show you guys how this ECG app will work. You just need to hold your finger on the digital crown and you need to hold it for 30 seconds. You will get your ECG report in the iPhone. You can export this report to your doctor via PDF. You can also customize this activity phase. You just have to force tap on this activity phase and then you have to tap on customize. Apple don't display step count by default on activity phase. You need to download third-party applications like Pedometer++ or Pacer. I personally use Pacer. After downloading Pacer, you need to install the same app in your watch OS as well. After that, you have to scroll down to Pacer. After selecting Pacer, you need to press digital crown button to get the customize done. Now you can see step count on your activity phase. You can activate Siri by pressing digital crown for 2 seconds.
I'm not sure who your friend is.
And you can also activate Siri by giving Hey Siri command. Hey Siri.
I'm listening.
If you are buying Apple Watch for the first time, it would be an amazing smartwatch experience. If you are using Apple Watch Series 3, it would be a great jump from Series 3 to Series 5. I don't think you people need to upgrade if you are already using Apple Watch Series 4. I don't think I need a cellular model as I am carrying my iPhone everywhere. If you are a person who don't use smartphone for 50 to 60% of your day-to-day life, then of course cellular model would be helpful for you. I also brought a new case for my smartwatch. This is that new case. Again, I brought this product from Amazon. I drop a link to this product in my description. When it comes to battery life, you can easily use it for more than 1 day with always on display. So that's it guys for this video. I hope you guys liked this video. Please do subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I will try to post travel vlogs, tech videos, daily vlogs in my next upcoming videos. And do share your thought on this product in the comment section below. Until we meet next time, bye bye.